Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to insert table. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow with the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Inserting tables in Evernote is a simple process which is helpful for organizing information in a structured way. Now, once you open the Evernote on your mobile device, if you're using the iOS or Android, I want you to hover to the notebooks that I wanted to insert a table. So I'm going to be choosing the DPLEFS notebook and I'm going to create a note from scratch. All right. So going to name this as how to insert table. Right now, from here, for you to be able to insert a table, there is like a plus icon on the bottom left corner beside the camera icon. I want you to click it and there should be an option that says table. All right, and from there you can put in different information for as long as you want. All right, and you can insert as many as table as you can. All right, you're not limited. See, add another table right here, and you can hover, add more as you go along the way. It's kind of easy. And then I'm going to add an image. All right, so after adding again another table right here, or inserting a table, insert a table again, and then you can add a divider if you want in between. Right, you see that? And once you're happy, click the three dots icon on the top right corner if you want to share this note to your client, or if you're in a collaborative environment, you might want to send this to the team members, or if you're working with multiple freelancers. Basically, the table is a handy feature if you wanted to organize the data clearly, making it easier to access and understand. This is very useful for lists, schedules, or comparing data, or giving some project timelines or contact details. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.